Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. $1 million saying by Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha, the founder of Buddhism, lived in ancient India almost 2500 years ago. He is considered as the enlightened being who rediscovered the path to freedom from ignorance and the cycles of birth and continued sufferings. Born to an aristocratic family of Lumbini Kapilvastu, now in Nepal, during the Sakya Republic, he is also named as Sakya Muni. Born and brought up in a royal family, he remains shielded from the outside world, entertained by dancing girls, instructed by Brahmins, and trained in archery, wrestling, swimming, and many more. But as he grew old, his own shadow drew him outside the worlds of luxury, where he actually realized the real sufferings of life in the form of a sick man, an old man, and a corpse ready to be taken to the burning grounds. This first-time experience of a human pain led him to the path of conquering himself by actually realizing the cause of such sufferings. He left his palace in search of the answers to his questions. This gave him liberation. After a hard era of his life under a Bodhi tree, sitting in a meditative silent pose, he realized the actual enlightenment, the actual liberation. He knew why the world was so unhappy. Buddha died at the age of 80. Till then, he had spread his ideas and the sense of true liberation to thousands of people around the globe. That's why it's really worthy enough to count some of his quotes that can liberate and motivate our hearts, minds, and souls. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. Conquer anger with non-anger. Conquer badness with goodness. Conquer meanness with generosity. Conquer dishonesty with truth. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Let the past make you better, not bitter. Drop by drop is the water pot filled. Likewise, the wise man, gathering it little by little, fills himself with good. You can search throughout the entire universe for someone who is more deserving of your love and affection than you are yourself. And that person is not to be found anywhere. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. It is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Then the victory is yours. It cannot be taken from you, not by angels or by demons, heaven or hell. Even as a solid rock is unshaken by the wind, so are the wise unshaken by praise or blame. The trouble is you think you have time. If you knew what I know about the power of giving, you would not let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. Pain is certain. Suffering is optional. Every human being is the author of his own health or disease. Your work is to discover your work and then with all your heart to give yourself to it. If the problem can be solved, why worry? If the problem cannot be solved, worrying will do you no good. However many holy words you read, however many you speak, what good will they do you if you do not act upon them? If we could see the miracle of a single flower clearly, our whole life would change. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. Train your mind to see something good in everything. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. Set your heart on doing good. Do it over and over again, and you will be filled with joy. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. In separateness lies the world's greatest misery. In compassion lies the world's true strength. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. To enjoy your health, to bring true happiness to one's family, to bring peace to all, one must first discipline and control one's own mind. If a man can control his mind, he can find the way to enlightenment, and all wisdom and virtue will naturally come to him.